Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to make this beautiful and super easy multicolor beanie hat. I made that for adult size and I used a worsted weight yarn in 3 colors and I made the brim of the hat with 4.5 millimeters hook, and I made the body with this hook 5 millimeters. I made that in 3 colors, but you can make that in 1 color or even more than 3 colors. That's optional. And I divide the height of the hat to 3 parts and made each part with 1 color. And you can make this work or make this hat with 1 color. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, with first yarn and smaller hook, make 1 slip knot and then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These chains determine the height of the brim, and if you want to have a higher brim, you can add some chains. Now insert the hook into second chain, skip the first chain, go to the second and make 1 single crochet, then make 1 single crochet into next chain, 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat this work and make 1 single crochet into each chain of foundation chains. And at the end, the number of stitches should be 1 less than the number of chains. Now I have 9 stitches. Make 1 chain, turn the work, and make 1 single crochet here into first stitch. Then go to back loop of next stitch, not under 2 loops, insert a hook here, make 1 single crochet. This is a back loop only single crochet, and we should repeat this work. Make 1 back loop only single crochet into each of next stitches except the last stitch. Insert hook into back loop and make 1 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet into back loop of next stitch, and again repeat this work and repeat again. And now I'm at the end of row 2. Insert hook under both loops of last stitch, not into back loop, and make 1 single crochet. Now I have 1 single crochet at the beginning of the row, 1 single crochet at the end of the row, and 7 back loop only single crochet at the middle of the row. And for next row, I should repeat this row, row 2. Make 1 chain and turn the work, and again 1 single crochet into first stitch and 1 single crochet into back loop of each of next 7 middle stitches. And 1 single crochet under both loops of last stitch, and row 3 is finished. Make 1 chain, turn the work, and repeat this row, row 2 or row 3, and then repeat this row several times. You should make these rows in a multiple of 2 because of the pattern of the body, and continue making these rows of single crochet until the length of this band from here reach the desired circumference for your size, and then we should attach last row to first row of the band. Okay, now I have 68 rows, and the length of this rectangle has reached to my circumference. Now I want to join both sides together, so fold the band in half and put 2 edges together and grab this loop, insert the hook under both loops of first stitch from here, from last row, and go to first stitch of row 1 into remaining loop of that. Grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through this loop on the hook to create one slip stitch. Again, go to next stitch under both loops of that and insert hook into remaining loop of front stitch from row 1. Grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through this loop on the hook. Again, insert hook into next stitch under both loops and into next stitch of row 1 and make one slip stitch. And we should continue this work and join all stitches together from row 1 and last row with slip stitch. And this is the last stitch. Make a slip stitch, and now the joining is finished. Turn the work to right side. Okay, now I want to start the body, so remove the hook and make 3 chain with larger hook as a double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet at top of next row. This is the first row of the brim. Insert the hook at top of that under these 2 loops here and make 1 double crochet. Go to next row of the brim, make 1 double crochet into this hole, 1 double crochet at top of next row of the brim here under these 2 loops, and again go to next row and make 1 double crochet at top of that and continue this work. We should make 1 double crochet per each row of the brim and continue until the end. Okay, I made 68 double crochets around the long edge of the brim, and now make 1 slip stitch into 3rd chain of these beginning chains. And for start, next round, round 2, make 3 chains as 1 double crochet. Then yarn over, insert the hook around next stitch, the 2nd stitch of previous round, from front to back to front. Grab the yarn and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Made 1 front post double crochet around that. Now make 1 double crochet at top of next stitch and 1 front post double crochet around next stitch. Again, 1 double crochet at top of next stitch and 1 front post double crochet around next stitch. And repeat again, 1 double crochet at top of the next stitch and 1 front post double crochet around the next. We should repeat this work and alternate double crochets and front post double crochets and continue the sequence until the end. Round 2 is finished, and now make 1 slip stitch into 3rd chain of these 3 chains here. And because I want to make this hat with several yarns, I should cut the yarn in this part at the end of this round, but if you want to make that with 1 yarn, you can continue the work with same yarn. So I make 1 chain and fasten off and cut the yarn and continue the work with 2nd yarn. First make 1 slip knot with 2nd yarn and attach that to first stitch here at top of this first stitch. Okay, now make 2 chains. That doesn't count as a stitch, and make 1 front post double crochet around first stitch, the same stitch base of these 2 chains. Yarn over, insert the hook around these 3 chains, grab the yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Made 1 front post double crochet around first double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet at top of next front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook at top of that, make 1 double crochet. Again, make 1 front post double crochet around next double crochet, and 1 double crochet at top of next front post double crochet. One more time, make 1 front post double crochet around next double crochet, 1 double crochet at top of next front post double crochet, and continue this work. Actually, we should make 1 front post double crochet around each double crochet of previous round, and 1 double crochet at top of each front post double crochet of previous round, and continue this sequence and alternate double crochets and front post double crochets until the end of the round. At the end of this round, round 3, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post, not into this chain 2 here, and start round 4 with 3 chain as 1 double crochet at top of first front post double crochet. Now make 1 front post double crochet around next double crochet, make 1 double crochet at top of first next front post, and 1 front post double crochet around next double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet at top of next front post, 1 front post double crochet around next double crochet. Actually, this round is a repeat of round 2, and we should make 1 double crochet at top of each front post double crochet of previous round, and 1 front post double crochet around each double crochet of previous round, and repeat this sequence until the end. And at the end, join to 3rd chain of these beginning chains, and these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, should be repeated. And if you want to make a multicolor hat after several rounds, you can change the yarn again and continue your work with next yarn, such as me. So I should repeat these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, several times until the height of the hat from here reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated round 3 and round 4 5 more times, and at the end made 1 repeat of round 3 here. And now the height of my hat is enough, and I should decrease the top of the hat. So make 1 chain and then make 1 decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches. Insert the hook into front loop of first stitch, then directly go to front loop of next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, insert the hook into front loop of next stitch and directly go to next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat that work. We should make decrease single crochet over each 2 stitch of previous round, and repeat that work until the end. Now it's my work at the end of this round. Make 1 slip stitch at top of first, decrease single crochet here, then make 1 chain, and 1 decreased single crochet over first 2 decreased stitches, insert hook into front loop of first and front loop of second stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Then go to next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Again, decrease next 2 stitches together and make 1 single crochet at top of next decreased stitch of previous round, and repeat that work. Make a decreased single crochet and then make 1 single crochet, and continue this sequence until the end of the row. Okay, now make 1 slip stitch at top of first decreased stitch here, then make 1 chain and make a decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then make 1 single crochet, again 1 decrease and 1 single crochet. Actually, this round is a repeat of previous round, and we should make 1 decrease single crochet and then make 1 single crochet until the end of the round. And now my decreasing is finished, and this is my work at the end, and this is this hole at top of the hat. It's very small, and now I make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet and cut the yarn with leaving a long tail, and fasten off. Okay, now we should turn the work and then with a tapestry needle weaving this tail through all stitches of last round, and then pull tightly to close the hole, and make some stitches at top of that, and then you can attach a pom-pom and turn the work to right side, and after that attach a pom-pom at top of the hat. And now my beautiful and simple multicolor beanie hat is ready. You can make this hat in other sizes. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.